guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Favicon not showing on WIX website. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, how do we solve this problem? Well, first things first is we need to open our website. Let's go to wix.com, log into our account, and select our site. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go to our settings. So at the bottom left, go and click on settings, and from here, look for website settings. Now, usually in this page here, you should be able to see a section that says Favicon. Now, typically, if you're having issues with your Favicon, if it's not actually showing properly, then most likely the issue itself is from the file that you uploaded. It means sometimes there are going to be some errors on files that you'll be uploading. So in this case, it is recommended that you convert it to a different one, or basically download, or basically export or import. If you customize or if you've customly created, you could go ahead and import or export it again and generate a new file. Now, usually if your file does not have any issues, typically it will actually solve itself once you upload it again in here. Now, alternatively, if you're seeing your Favicon in one browser, but in your browser, in other browsers, it's not showing, then most likely the issue itself is from the browser itself. So typically, you could just go to the top right here, click on three-dot icon, and from here, you want to go to settings. And from here, you want to click on the option that says privacy and security. And from here, let's go and click on clear browsing data. And from here, you could go and select whatever here, but it is really important that you select the cache images and files here. So you could basically disable browsing history and cookies and other site data here. But again, I would suggest you to enable the cache images and files and cookies and other site data and click on clear data. Now, once you've done that, see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.